Hi, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps for claiming a North Face warranty. Head over to our website to find 3 easy steps for claiming the warranty on North Face products. Simply follow the instructions provided, and if you need further assistance, their contact details are listed below. You can reach them via email or call 855-500-8639. Which is available daily. Click on the following link, www.thenorthface.com/help/returns-policy. This will redirect you to the returns and warranty page. On the left side, click Submit a Warranty Claim and then the Submit Warranty button. Select the appropriate option under How old is your item, and provide the required details, including your contact information, address, and order details, such as where you purchased the product style, size, color, and date of purchase. Additionally, please describe the type of damage, where you noticed the issue on the garment, and provide a brief explanation of the problem. Attach up to 4 photos showing the full product, the damaged area, and the retailer receipt. Finally, submit the form to complete the process. The North Face team will evaluate your issue and determine if you're eligible for a replacement, which should be free of charge. They may ask you to return the defective product. Once they receive and inspect it, they will send you a replacement. A quick reminder before we wrap up: if you ever run into any issues with your warranty, the Warranty Valet team is here to help. Just visit our website and reach out to us, we'll handle the rest.